Hello, and once again welcome back to our series Painting a Character. I am Jyotsna, an aspiring actor. Oh, excuse me. Want to know how I got transformed from Jyotsna to Nora, a character from Henrik Ibsen's play A Doll's House, the first ever realistic play? So come and be a part of this journey. Henrik Ibsen is one of the greatest dramatists of English literature. He is the first man to show that tragedy can be written for ordinary people as well. This play, A Doll's House, is one of his most known works. And today, we are going to do the character makeup of the protagonist of this play, Nora. She is married to Torvald Helmer and has 3 children, Bob, Emmy and Ivar. At the beginning of this play, Nora seems completely happy. She responds affectionately to Torvald's teasing and takes pleasure in the company of her children and friends. She not even seems to mind her doll-like existence in which she lives. Her husband treats her like a child and not see her as an equal. So here we are done with our hairstyle and now we are going to do toning, moisturizing, concealing and foundation, जिसका पूरा वीडियो आप हमारे पिछले मेकअप वीडियोस में देख सकते हैं. The link is in the description. Coming back to our play, in the second half it is gradually revealed that Nora is not as happy as she appears. And neither is she a silly girl as her husband considers her. She reveals that she understands the business of debits. She incurred taking out a loan to preserve her husband's health. And this indicates that she is intelligent and possesses capabilities, even beyond wifehood. An incident proved to be an eye-opener for her unfulfilled and unappreciated potential. And she realizes that in addition to her literal dancing and singing tricks, she has been putting on a show throughout her life. She has pretended to be someone else, which she is not, in order to fulfill the role that Torvald, her father and society at large have expected of her. Torvald's selfish reaction after knowing of Nora's deception and forgery is the final catalyst for Nora's awakening. So here is Nora. She finally comes to see her position in her marriage with increasing clarity and finds the courage and strength to free herself from her oppressive situation. She decides to leave her husband and refuses to take even a single thing from him, not even her children, because she fears she may morally corrupt them. Nora acts on her belief that quality of parenting strongly influences a child's development. As Nora's awareness of the truth about her life grows, her need of rebellion accelerates and leads her in walking out on her husband and children to find independence. And here the writer Henrik Ibsen ends his part with presenting the problem and leaves us to search its solution. This play, A Doll's House, was written in 1879, but still it's so contemporary. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and keep watching our videos.